Hello smart people, today I'm going to share you another live payment proof. This is from Satoshi Mining App. Here you can mine BTCs as well as you can get BTC, and this is a mining app. You have to install it. First of all, I'm going to show you live payment proof, then I will show you step by step how to install and how to mine and how to get BTC. So I'm clicking on this app right now, and you can see this is the app. I'm clicking on now this mining section. As you see, this is the mining section, and first of all, this is the dashboard or surface of main page. Here you can see I have total got 225 hash rate, as well as I have mined 40.94 BTCs, and I have got 0.00020995 BTC for bonus. As you can see, this is giveaway, and here you can see this is the main thing you have to do once time in a day. Just receive BTC until to 125 blocks have remained or accumulated. Okay, so I'm clicking here to receive BTCs, and you can see this is counting and done. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw this balance, this BTC. That's why I'm clicking on me. Here you can see this is the me section. I'm clicking on me, and this is my asset section. I'm clicking on only Bitcoin, and you can see this is Bitcoin balance and equivalent price. This is the market price is 7.55 value. I will withdraw this, and I'm clicking on again the here, and you can see here is inactive deposit but withdraw active and transfer active. You can transfer this value, this BTC with your friends and family who are mining BTCs in this app. So I'm going to withdraw. That's why I'm clicking on withdraw, and you can see first of all I have to put my BTC address, then I have to put my amount and then password, and then confirm withdraw. That I'm pasting my BTC's address. Here is written all. I'm going to withdraw all amount, and you can see all amount has been selected, and you can see here is written charge and what amount I will be given, and then I'm typing my password. I have done each and everything. Here you can see. Now I'm going to click on withdraw, and you can see they are asking me about this withdraw section. This is my address, amount, and what will be given to me. I am confirming it, and you can see they sent me an email address on my mail. I'm just checking within 1 minute. This is the email address. You can see I have got the email address here. I'm just pasting it, copying it, and then paste. It will be paste. I'm pasting here and confirm. You can see my BTC withdrawal successfully. Okay, so I'm going to back, and you can see this is pending. This is my recent withdrawal. This is pending, and I have got this before, and this amount has been pending. That's been frozen. Okay, I'm going to back it and show you this frozen amount. I'm going to refresh it, and you can see this is frozen amount. There is no available balance, and this is frozen means that's mean this is pending. So I'm waiting for the confirmation. After confirming my withdrawal, I will start from here, and then I will show you how to mine BTCs and how to get BTC, that's mean Bitcoin. So I'm pausing this video right now. Hello smart people, As you see, I have got my payment from Satoshi Mining App. Here is the amount of BTC is 0.000195 and status is completed. As I have put my BTC address from Coinbase, I have got an email from Coinbase for deposit balance. You can see the exact amount what I have made withdraw. They sent me, there is exact amount. Okay, so this is 100% paying, and this amount has been given for my giveaway as well as referral commission, you can think so. So right now I'm going to back to the site, right? So I'm going to show you how to create an account. Okay, so I have already given the link on description box. After clicking on my link, you will see this page. I'm going to back. So here you can see, after click on my link, you will see this page. You have to click here to register. Just you can see register and start mining. Click on it. After click on it, you have this page. You have to put your email, valid email, then click on next, and then you will see they will send an verification code on your email. Please your email inbox, or if you do not get your inbox mail, then check your spam, then collect your verification code and put here, and then click on next, and they will give you 1 minute. Okay, within 1 minute you have to collect your verification code and put here, and then next. After clicking on next, you will see this option. Here you have to put your strong password, then confirm the password, and then click on register. After clicking on register, you will see this option. Here if you want, you can install. If you want, you can install app from Play Store, as well as you can install APK version, and then here install on Play Store. After successfully install, you have to click on open. After clicking on open, you can see on the down corner, here is me. Click on me. After click on me, you will see up corner, here is written click to login. After clicking on login, you will see this page. Here you have to put your registered email and password, then confirm your login, and then you will see this page. Okay, here is written mining, start mining. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will see this pop-up message. They are asking to verify your account, and then click on verify. Put your valid mail according your NID or license. Put your license or NID card number and click on face verification. Okay, and here you can see the face verification option. They will instruct you, open your mouth, turn left, turn right, something like that. They will ask and do or follow and do your instruction and their instruction to verify your face. After verification of face, you will this option. Okay, here you have to click on submit. After click on submit, you can see they are asking you the confirmation. Click on confirm. After confirming, your register will be successful, and here you will see verified, and click on back to the site, and then here you can see start mining. Click on start mining. After doing this, your mining will be start, and you will see this page like me. Okay, click on mining. You will see this my page, and here is the mining option. You can see this is the mining option. Every day you have to come here and collect your BTCs, and you will be given here my hash 100%, 100k, and your BTC will be 0 and your BTCs will be 0. And then you can see there is option. You will be given 150k hash for new miners. If you refer 3 miners, you will be given 150k. So how to refer? Click on mining factory. Click on mining factory, and then you can see here is add plus miner. Click on it, and you will see this refer link. Share with your friends and family, and follow the same show them or instruct them same rules or same steps as I show you. After following them, they will be able to is mining here. Okay, I'm going to click on mining section, and here you can see BTCs, and you can see here is 24 blocks already remain, and I'm going to collect it. I'm clicking on collecting. You can see this is collecting, and one message, you have to come here every day and until 150 blocks remain. If 150 blocks here is remain, your mining will be stopped, and again you have to come and collect this blocks. Okay, so this is the live payment proof and creating account. After next video I will show you how to increase your mining power, hash power, going on using hash card and gift card. Okay, and then here is another option, how to get 10k hash by participating testnet transfer transaction. Every day will be discussed the further videos. Okay, so that's all from me. If you are the new viewers of my channel, please subscribe my channel and join my group, Facebook group, WhatsApp and Telegram group, so that you can get each and every information instantly. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.